Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Sylvia, again. Okay, today we are going to continue working in the reading part. The page is the page number 46, reading lesson number 2. Okay, remember about the cat and dog? Yes? Okay, we're going to continue working in this story. Okay, as you see, we have the dog and the cat. Okay, so listen and reach visible thinking, analytical thinking, listing reasons. Okay, what do you have to do here is analyze the story's characters, the dog and the cat. List the reason why each of them acted the way they did. Use the idea bank if you need. Okay? Okay, the dog. Reason why she acts the way she did. Reason why he acts the way he did. Okay, here we have the idea bank. Okay, because he or she was hungry, because he or she was desperate, because he or she was sneaky, because she or he wanted to show off, uh, because he or she wanted the meat, because he or she was too proud, because he or she was strict, or because he or she was insistent. Okay, you have here your idea bank, and according to the story, you are going to list the reason for the dog and the reasons for the cat. Okay, and in this part, the self-assessment says, how did you feel about this exercise? Color the face that shows how you feel. Okay? Happy, bored, not interested? Okay, great. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay? And remember, don't worry, be happy. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.